Archaic has never taken one of these in the middle of a game before, but he looked pretty good on that power play a moment ago, so this might be the guy to pick in the turning point of the tilt right here.
Scored a lot of shootout goals the last couple of years.
Shanahan versus Ramo. Can he cut the lead in half? Yes!
Oh! Those were lightning quick hands by the 40-year-old veteran. And is that huge or what? With all fairness, I guess he deserved it. He rang one off the pipe on a screenshot. And this game has been just full of thrills and excitement. See, but Brendan says the guy's a butterfly. Look at there. And Brendan says if I can pull this in quickly enough, he's not going to think I'm going to shoot it. And when you're sitting in that tripod that we see here, if you don't think the shot's coming, you don't get down quick enough. And Brendan had his mind.